Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are discussing one of the most important things that we need to know before the commencement of the Ramadan fast. Muslims around the world need to know that this is one of the most important things, even far important than the fasting itself in Ramadan. In one of the hadiths of the Prophet, it says, Innama amalu biniyat, all action are judged according to intention. And the meaning of this hadith says, whatever action you've carried out, whatever thing you are planning to do, first of all, Allah will judge you based on your intention. So your intention is something that you can never falsify. Your intention is something that you can never deceive. Your intention is something that Allah used to give the right judgment about you as a person. And this important thing is the intention to partake in the Ramadan fast. As reported by the mother of believers, Hafsat radiallahu anha, says, every man and woman who do not have the intention to take the Ramadan fast before the commencement of Ramadan, that is a day in the evening, a day before the Ramadan, has no fasting. So Muslims around the world, before you commence the Ramadan fast, it is very important. The intention of commencing the Ramadan fast is very important than the fasting itself. So it is important we relay this message to all our families, friends, before the commencement of Ramadan. It is very important because there is a reward in it. And fasting itself, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, He is the one who grants the reward. How do you make this intention? As soon as you hear that the moon has been sighted, from that moment you can take your intention. And even if you forget, you still have a lot of time till the evening before the commencement of the Ramadan fast to take your intention. And even if mistakenly you forget, do not worry. There is nothing that has happened to your fasting, because Allah said He is not going to hold you for something done forgetfully. So immediately you remember that you've not taken your intention, you try as much as possible to take your intention. But this video, we are creating this video as a reminder, because in one of the verses of the Quran, Allah says we should keep reminding ourselves, for reminder is good for the believers. So we are making this video, we try as much as possible to spread this video around so that people have the knowledge of the intention before the commencement of Ramadan. Please, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to turn on your notification, and make sure you are attached to this channel, because before the end of Ramadan, we are going to be uploading videos that will be of benefit to all of us. Little things that matters in Islam and life. Thank you for watching. Until I see you in my next video. Assalamu Alaikum.